Hello, this is Mr. Conley. What I want to do is I want to just very quickly take you through how we can convert a decimal number into hex. So first of all, I'm just going to write in my headings, okay? Now we're only going to need a 1 and a 16 for these tasks that I'm asking you to do, so we're just going to write in those headings, okay, for this method. There we go. Okay, now I have from the previous tasks, I've been lazy, ripped off the sheet, but just remember, do have the hexadecimal numbers wrote out in front of you, especially if you're doing this for the first time. Okay, so the number I want to do is I'm going to do 241. Okay, so 241, we're going to convert it into hex. So what you need to do is you need to get your calculator out. Okay, we're going to do 241 divided by 16, and that gives us the answer 15.0625. So we know this 15 we're going to put straight into the 16 column. So if we go back to here, we can see 15 in hex is F. So we're simply going to write F here. Okay, and then what we need to do is we need to do the remainder. So we need to do 0.0625, and we need to times it by 16. So 0.0625 times it by 16, and we get the answer 1. Okay, so we know 241 in hexadecimal, okay, is F1. And let's just do another one, just so while we're on, to make sure we can do this correctly. So I'm just going to cross these out, okay, just so we don't get confused by them. Okay, and we'll do a number. Okay, so this time let's do 167. Okay, so we'll do 167. So we do 167. We're going to divide it by 16. Okay, so it gives us the answer 10.4375. Okay, so we know if we look at our sheet that 10 is A, so the first letter is going to be A. Okay, and then we need to do the remainder, so we need to times the remainder by 16. So 0.4375 times by 16 is 7. Okay, now if we look at the sheet, 7 is just itself, so it's going to be A7. So 167 in hexadecimal is A7. Now I hope that makes sense. Okay, you will need a calculator to do that task, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.